Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8, and in this occasion we would like to present our summary of article African American Vernacular English in Shrek Movie.
My name is Ananda Hikara Kajiri.
My name is Tazkia Naila Kuntadi.
My name is Kina Zakia Fadrin. The first, introduction. Language varies across different social groups and can represent ethnicity, AAV, a variety rooted in the African American community. Differs from standard English and often appears in literature and film to portray African American character. Donkey in Shrek. Shrek not human is voiced and characterized in ways that reflect African American identity. The study aims to analyze donkey AAV usage based on a grammar and social factor, encouraging further studies on linguistic representation in non-human animate character.
For the literature of the review, social linguistics is the study of how language relate to society and reflect social structures. Language variation arise due to geographical or social factors such as class or ethnicity. Language and ethnicity are closely linked, with language serving as a marker of ethnic identity and the carrier of cultural content. AAVE is a linguistic variety with unique grammar, phonology, and syntax spoken by many African Americans. It has distinct grammatical features in verb phrase, negation, nominal structure, and question formation. Such social factors such as social class, gender, age, and linguistic environment shape how AAVE is used by speaker. And this research adopt a descriptive qualitative approach, it focusing on donkey speech in the first Shrek movie. Data were collected by aligning the film script with donkey spoken lines to identify AAVE utterance. Using Miles and Habermas framework, the data were reduced, categorized, and analyzed for AAVE grammatical characteristic and underlying social factors.
Next is findings and discussion. From 339 donkey utterances, 58 were identified as AAVE, featuring verb phrase, that is copula absence and invariant B, and then negation like ain't and multiple negations, and a nominal such as y'all characteristics. Donkey doesn't use AAVE specific question forms. The study found that Donkey's language reflects 4 social factors: his working class status, like the use of ain't never seen; male gender, like the use of frequent copula absent; teenage-like behavior, like the use of invariant B; and varying comfort levels depending on his conversational context. Donkey uses more AAVE when he is uncomfortable. Last but not least, conclusion and suggestions. Donkey's speech in Shrek reflects AAVE grammar, confirming that he represents African American identity in the film. His use of AAVE is influenced by his social class, gender, age, and the situational context of his speech. The researcher recommends further exploration into AAVE phonology or vocabulary in Shrek or other animated films, especially given the rich sociolinguistic dynamic among both human and non-human characters.
The review. The study offers an interesting look at how Donkey in Shrek used African American vernacular English. To reflect African American identity, the topic is relevant and the analysis of AAV feature like and copula absent and here all is clearly present. However, the literature review is quite general and could include more studies about AAV in media. The research method is suitable but lack detail, especially on how the data was analyzed. Will the finding connect hunch used to social factors like class and gender. Some claim, such as Donkey acting like a teenager, need more support. The study could also explore whether donkey use of AV reforms stereotype. Overall, it is a promising but study will benefit from stronger theory, modeling method, and deeper critical discussion.
That is all from our group. We hope it will suffice. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.